Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of W4, which is What Within Speaking episode. I'm Nida Khan.
And I'm Zubair.
For this week's episode, we are gonna go around asking you guys the funniest joke you know.
And well,
So, you want to hear something funny? Something funny. There you go. You have it.
why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because it wanted to cross the road.
I heard pranks, lot of pranks. So I've heard a prank where the guy who acts as a father of a girl, this radio jockey, he pranks a guy who's taking her out on a date and the guy gets shit scared. And I can show it to you. Please.
Most funniest joke I know.
Yes.
Nida Khan.
What is the funniest joke you've ever heard?
What did one wall say to the other wall? I'm next to you.
Funniest joke you've ever heard.
Okay. What did the traffic light say to the car? Don't look, I'm changing.
Funniest joke I've ever heard. Let me think, there are too many. Okay. You throw a chapati and a pizza from top of the building, and what would you call it?
What?
Fast food.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cows say.
Cows say who?
No, cows say moo.
There's a Sikh guy, Indian Sikh. So he invites some friends over and they all get drunk. And the Sikh guy says, I have got a talking clock. And all the friends are like, really? Show us, yeah? So he takes a stick up and he bangs on a drum. And then his wife says, why are you making so much noise? It's 12 o'clock in the night. So, it's got a talking. Yeah.
The lamest joke I've ever heard. I can't stand in the sun. I'm already too tan. I can't be silent cause sounds.
What's the funniest joke you've ever heard?
Knock knock. Who's there? Damn who? Damn it, Sam.
It's actually on me only. What do you call Sankalp when he's not drunk? Sankalp sober.
Get it? I throw a banana at your face and a Pepsi can at your face. Which will hurt more and why?
Why? Which and why?
The banana would hurt more and not the Pepsi can because the Pepsi is a soft drink.
What is the funniest joke you've ever heard?
Okay. Emily was standing on the top floor of her building when somebody rushes in and says, Emily, your daughter just died. Emily, in a fit of depression, jumps off the roof. When she's falling down, she realizes, wait, I don't have a daughter. Halfway down, she realizes, I'm not even married. Just when she hits the ground, she realizes, my name's not Emily.
The funniest joke you know.
Taking yourself in the mirror. That's funny enough.
So what did the orange say to the apple?
What?
Hey apple! Hey!